In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use QuickBooks for beginners. When you first log in, take a moment to understand the layout. On the left, you'll see the key areas you'll use most. The dashboard gives you a quick business overview. Sales is where you handle invoices and customers. Expenses is for bills and vendors. Banking is where your bank feeds live. And reports is your hub for financial statements. A simple way to think about it is this. Money coming in belongs in sales and money going out belongs in expenses. Keeping that mental model in mind will make every task faster. Next, connect your bank so transactions flow in automatically. Open the banking section, choose Link Account, sign in securely to your bank, and select the specific checking or credit card account you want to connect. Once linked, QuickBooks will start importing transactions for you. This alone can save hours of manual entry and reduce data entry errors because you're working directly with what actually cleared the bank. With your feed in place, start categorizing those transactions. Go to Bank Transactions, review each line, choose the correct category, and click Add to accept it into your books. For example, office supplies typically go to office expense, a customer payment should be categorized as sales income, and a software subscription is usually a software expense. Consistent categories make your reports far more meaningful, so take a moment to choose carefully. If something looks unfamiliar, pause and verify the payee or amount before adding it. Now let's create an invoice to record income properly. Click the plus sign for new, select invoice, pick your customer, add the product or service, enter the amount, and choose save and send to email it right away. This not only records revenue, but also tracks who owes you and when it's due. Clear item descriptions and accurate quantities help prevent back and forth later. To record money leaving your business, create an expense. Click New, choose Expense, select the vendor, enter the appropriate category, and save. Capturing expenses consistently ensures your profit and loss is accurate and helps you see where your cash is going throughout the month. Finally, run your key reports to stay informed. Head to Reports and review the profit and loss, balance sheet, accounts receivable, and accounts payable. The profit and loss shows a simple formula. Income minus expenses equals profit. Use a clear date range so you're looking at the right period and compare month over month to spot trends. That's it. Connect your bank, categorize carefully, invoice promptly, record expenses, and check your reports. Follow this flow regularly